Welcome to the multiplication course. My name is Steve Wyborny and this is Mystery Structure 10. How many cubes? How do you see them? This is mystery structure number 10. This mystery structure comes with two questions. How many cubes are there and how do you know? Pause the video to answer these two questions. How many cubes are there and how do you know? Let's continue by seeing how some people break this structure apart. Here are 4 copies of the structure. One way that some people break this apart is to see a group of 3 on the top, another group of 3 on the left and on the right, a group of 3 in the middle, a group of 3 in the front on the bottom, and a group of 3 in the back. So there are 6 groups of 3. Others see 3 groups of 6. They see 6 on the bottom, 6 more here, and 6 more on the side. Some can see 2 groups of 9. They see a group of 9 in the U shape, which is here, and then 9 more. Another interesting way of seeing this is to break it apart. Some look at the group on the top and picture what it would look like if they moved it down into the gap. They picture this group of 3 moving down into the gap, then taking the group of 3 that is in the front and also moving it into the gap. Then finding the number of cubes in the large group, which is 15, plus 3 more on the bottom. Let's take a second look at how the structures were broken apart. Almost every time we find that there is more than one way to describe what we see. The first structure can be described as 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, or it can be described as 6 groups of 3. The second structure can be described as 6 plus 6 plus 6, or it can be described as 3 groups of 6. The third structure can be described as 9 plus 9, or it can be described as 2 groups of 9. The fourth structure can be described as 5 groups of 3 plus 3, or it can be described as 15 plus 3. In every case, the total is 18. Can you see it several different ways? You can pause the video on this screen to find even more ways to break this shape apart. Now get ready to draw, because in the next video we'll use paper and pencil and I will show you how to draw this 3-dimensional shape. This is the multiplication course. My name is Steve Wyborny and this is Mystery Structure 10. How many cubes? How do you see them?